You've been watching me this past month crush it with the TikTok affiliate program that we got going on, our boot camp, and you see I'm already over 10K residual income, then you probably saying, okay, yeah. You know, I went over there crushing it like that, Quan, and I just don't understand how you getting free samples and things like that. So I'm gonna show you right now. Documentation beat conversation, and I'm gonna always be able to show you better than I can tell you. You see that counts in the full creator program, right? See? So you see we in the full creator program right there. So let's go show you when this account was created. So I'm gonna show you how we did this in record time so you can see when this account was actually created. June 15th. And right now it's what? July 23rd. So again, last month. We in July, June. This created full creator account. Let's go check another one. And this is what you're gonna learn when you come to our boot camp. So that was count number 2. Let's go to count number 3. Look at it. Over 5,000 followers, full TikTok studio access, as you can see right there. And if we go into account history, and we go see when this account was created, you see, June 15th, same day. So both these accounts was created the same day, both of them is in the creator program. Let's go to account number 4. Here's another one. You see in the creative program. TikTok Studio. See, full creator mode. See, anytime you see that, that means you got access right there. Okay, let's see when this account was created. June 15th. So that's 3 accounts, all in the creator program. Create at the same time. These accounts can go for $400 a pop too, by the way. People will buy them. So what you think I'm gonna do with the rest of these accounts right there? So we're gonna hit manage samples, and then you'll see right here where it say free samples. These are the samples I requested so far from the agency. And as you can see what it say, in transit, right? And look, already got samples on the way. So just to show you, and look, this is just after connecting. We just connected with the agency. You see right there, normally you say pending and then stuff like that. Nope, right there, look, on the way, in transit, look at that. In transit, in transit, in transit. See, this is the benefits of connecting with the agency. Once your account's in the creator program, that you automatically approved to get free samples, as you see there. And you get these monthly, by the way. Yep. Look at that. Free sample request approved. Free sample request approved. Free sample request approved. Free sample request approved. See, they on the way. And you can also see that we attached to the agency. And here's proof that you link up to an agency when you get started with our boot camp, right there. So you see the agency is requesting that I link up with them. And then once you hit that, you're gonna see that you're a part of Lifepreneur agency, which is going to give you access to be able to get free samples that you normally wouldn't get from big companies and things like that, because they got the partnership. As you can see right there, they have the partnership, which allows you to be able to link up with them. You see I'm linked right now, and be able to get those free samples that you see right there. Rather promote the affiliate side? Well, you can do that too. Yes, that's residual. Alright, so there you have it. I told you, super newbie friendly. Anybody can do this. All you gotta do is follow our blueprint, and I guarantee you will have success. I mean, when was the last time you were able to say, I guarantee? Never was I able to say, I guarantee. I can say, I guarantee that you will have success as long as you follow the blueprint, and the blueprint ain't hard to follow. Alright, so let's go. Let's get it. Ask me for more information. Trust me, you don't want to miss out. This is the one you want to be a part of, you know? You don't want to miss this train. I got you. Let's go.